how to remove your Microsoft account from your Edge browser. So if you take a look into your browser and in your settings, you should be able to see your Microsoft profiles if you do have those. And if you aren't able to either delete or sign out from your browser, another thing you can do is to go ahead into your device settings. So you can either search for that, or you can just open up your system settings, go ahead into accounts over here. Then you're just going to go ahead and scroll down until you find your account settings. From there, you're going to find your email accounts, or in our case, it's just going to say your accounts. So from here, you can just delete or remove your accounts. If you want, you can also manage them. And if you also want, you can add another Microsoft account as well. But to remove or add Microsoft accounts, you should be able to do it from this section. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.